So good morning everybody and welcome to the flight. And for today's entertainment I will be reviewing the AYIZONE camera stand with desk clamp. So this camera stand cost me £19.90 from Amazon, and the reason why I wanted this camera stand is because I wanted something where I could set up my camera permanently. It can get very fussy when your environment keeps changing. You have to set your camera angle of view and get your focus right and get your lighting right. So I wanted something whereby I could just mount the camera to my desk, set it up once, and whenever I need to shoot a video I can then just go, well, I can just sit down and get on with it, which is exactly what I want. So this stand comes with a 1/4" screw thread, so that will fit directly into your camera or any other device, lighting, whatever, that will take a 1/4" screw thread. It also comes with what I think is a good quality ball head, and they throw in a phone bracket as well, a 360-degree rotating phone holder. So let's get into some of the details then. The stand is adjustable between 13.5 inches to 23.2 inches. So 0.2 inches there apparently must be important to somebody. So let's say 13.5 inches to 23 inches, or 34.5 centimeters to 59 centimeters. Now the all-important clamp is adjustable from 0.4 inch to 4.7 inches. So there's plenty of room for adjustment. You just need to make sure that your desk is going to be, or whatever you're going to clamp this, doesn't have to be on a desk, but it just needs to be within the 0.4 to 4.7 inches. So 1/2 inch, say 4.5 inches to be on the safe side. I've had the stand for a week or so, and I've set up the camera and I've done a couple of videos with it, and it's all I was hoping it would be. It's sturdy, it doesn't move around on the desk, it's made of a lightweight aluminium, at least I think it's aluminium, it's definitely lightweight. The only plastic bits on it are the little knobs on the tensioning screws, but they don't look like they're cheap or they're going to break anytime soon, so that's good. So I mentioned it comes with the ball head, so you can mount the camera directly onto the stand itself, but I suspect most of you will want to use the ball head so you can get your camera adjustment right. The telephone mount it comes with, it's plastic. It has some nice hard rubber grips on the inside of the clasps, so that should hold your telephone quite securely. There's not really much to say about the telephone mount. It's functional, It's not a cheap, lightweight plastic, it's reasonable. It's not premium build, but it's reasonable. So, it'll do the job. All in all, I'm really happy with this purchase. It'll allow me to do exactly what I wanted it to do. Set up the camera, a static and stable environment. So all I have to do in future is to come here, turn it on, and get on with it. So it's a thumbs up from me.